Welcome to another video, guys. So in this video I will talking about those who are expecting monthly 30% returns. This course is suitable for you. So those who are expecting monthly 30% returns, and sometimes in the stock market, in the stock options, those who are expecting 5 to 10 5x returns in a 1 month. I'm not talking about in a one day. I'm talking about in a 1 month. So those who are expecting in a 1 month 5x returns in a stock options, and apart from that, those who are expecting 30% returns by taking only 2% risk in the cash market, both monthly, not in a day. And those who are looking for in a one day 30%, 50%, and 100% returns, this course is not suitable for you. Okay, so I told you, so we can expect we can earn 30% returns by holding the cash market in the cash segment. So I will teach you how to create wealth by earning 30% returns in a month. So, so this is a charting platform. I will use charting platform to sort out, to screen the stocks. I will input my parameter uh, and conditions and filters. According to my parameter condition filters, it will give you a result. By taking that results, I will analyze again and I will take the trade. So in this charting platform, you can backtest the history. So here is the results of 9 months backtested history. So those I will show you those results. I will show you generated in this platform, and these results are not generated by me. This result is generated by our system, so we can reliable in that. Okay, so those who are looking for alerts problem, there is no alerts problem, because if I take this alert today, we are trading. If it is crosses of the high, then only we have to trade. So you have enough time to take a trade. One day time is left to analyze the stock. So today we are taking the stocks results, and if high crosses, that day high crosses, then only we have to take the trade. That is the rule number one. And another rule, so in the every month first week only we have to take the trade. So and the month end we have to close the trade. So that is rule number 3. And rule number 4, when the stock price is reaches 30% returns from your entry point, you have to close the price. I will repeat again. We have to take the trade monthly starting week, that means 6th date of below 6th date. And second thing, when it reaches 30% returns, we have to close. But if it is not reaches 30% returns, you have to close your trade month end. And the fourth one, whatever we identified the stocks that day low, only your stop loss. So 2% is only your risk. When it crosses the high, only we have to take the trade. That is rule number 5. So we will see one by one results. So I get a last 9 months results. I will show you. Yeah, so this is the 10th month 2020 Ambuja Cement 6th date. So it is a first week of that month, October month. So we will see the Ambuja Cement 6th date, 10th month, October 2020. We will see in the chart. Yeah, this is Ambuja Cement chart, daily candle chart. We will see October 6th date. What is the October 6th date? Yeah, this is the 227 is the high. After crossing high, we have to take the position, and month end we have to close the position, and it closes 259. It is giving more than 20% returns. The stock price is listed on the future also. If you traded in the money or any out of the money call, your returns will be more than 5x. I repeat, your returns will more than 5x. For example, if you invested 10,000 rupees, you will get a 50,000 rupees, because the Ambuja Cement is listed in the future and options also. But those who are looking only 2% take, but those who are looking for 2% risk, we can take in the cash market. If you invest 1 lakh rupees, your profit is 20,000 rupees. Here your risk is very low and your profit is very low. But in the options, your risk is very high and the profit is also very high. So October month is over. I will download it again. So this is October month is over, and you can take the screenshot and you can check the accuracy level. This strategy accuracy level, when you, if you take an monthly first week, the accuracy level is above 95%. I will repeat, above 95% in the first week. But if you take the trade after the first week, this is a swing trading and positional trading. If you take after the first week, if you take, the accuracy will decrease. The after also the accuracy level is more than 70%. If we find more than if we find more the system more than 95% accuracy, why we have to go with a 70% accuracy? So October month is over, we got a 20% returns in the October month by taking the risk of 2%, because my stop loss is below candle low, previous candle low or the tech candle low. That's it. So next one we have to look for November. In the November 11th November, HDFC Bank is giving the signal. So yeah, and Nifty Fin Service also, it is giving the signal in the November month, and you can find the November month, November 2nd, Nifty Fin Service. Nifty Fin also is listed in the tradable segment, futures segment. So we will look at HDFC Bank, and you can take this screenshot and you can backtest it. The accuracy level is very high in the month of starting, above 95%. We will look at HDFC Bank November 3rd. Yeah, this is HDFC Bank November 3rd. So the November 3rd, the price is 1250 and it closes 1440. Your stop loss is 1225, because that take candle is 1225. It came 1230, but stop loss is not hit, and your stop loss is only 2%. So after 1250, it went 14. Wait, yeah, this is 1440. So you got more than 20% risk. So you had the 2% risk and you got 20% returns. But if you traded in options, your returns will be more than 5x. Got it? If you invest 10,000 rupees, your profit may be more than 50,000 rupees. So November month is over. I will download it again and I will show you. In the November month, everybody know the market is very bullish. And I will take, see, you can take the screenshot below 6th date. You can observe any stock, it will give you more than 95% accuracy. So Bajaj, I will show you Bajaj FinServer and FinPipe both. Bajaj FinServer November 3rd. See guys, how beautifully it rallied. November 3rd, Bajaj Finance. Entry is 5810 and the closing price is 8934. You got a more than 50% returns. If you traded in an option, your money will be more than 10x. This is the power of knowledge. If you invested 10,000 rupees, your profit will be more than 1 lakh rupees in an option. If you invest 1 lakh rupees in a cash market by taking only 2,000 rupees risk, so your profit will be 50,000 rupees. So that you can decide. If you want to take less risk, you can take in a cash market. If you want to high risk and if you want to more reward, you can go with a stock option. The option is left to you. And I told you in the November month we find more stocks. Here there is no time to show you all these stocks, because I have to show December, January, February, March, April also and May also. So what I have to do, so below 6th date, FinPipe, Tata Steel and Nifty Bs, Junior Bs. So everything is transparency here. You can take this screenshot and you can backtest it. All stocks are rallied away, blasted. So we will move to December month. December 1st it is giving Sun Pharma. I will go to and check Sun Pharma in the December 1st date. See this December 1st date, it is giving the signal and rallied away. So entry point is 542 and the closing price is 594. More than 10% returns in Sun Pharma. So as I told you, we got a 20% returns in Ambuja Cement and 20% returns in HDFC Bank and more than 50% returns in Bajaj Finserv. Okay. So December month is over and you can cross check in the December month first week whatever the stocks are there, you can cross check. The accuracy level is high because we are selecting first week of the month. You can take this, you can take this, you can take this, you can take this Marico, everything. So let's move to January. January large cap is Hind Zinc. I will select, if it shows mid cap and small cap, I will select large cap. Okay. So January 4th, Hind Zinc. We will see Hind Zinc. Okay. Yeah. Hind Zinc, January 4th. See what a rally. This is January 4th. The entry price is 245 and it made high 328. So that means the 30% returns is already achieved. So after that the stock is falling, but we are not bothered about that. In a 2-3 couple of days, 1 2 3 within a 3 days we got a 30% returns in the Hind Zinc. So no matter when it falls, that is no matter for me. So we reached 30% returns. We have to close our position as per our rules. So we got 30%. So total 120% returns. So January month is over. Let's move to February first week. And if you want to check February month below first week other stocks, you can take the screenshot. This is February month and you can backtest it. No, January month and February we have to see because Hind Zinc is January. February see February the large cap is AU Bank. It is listed in the future also. So let's see February 1st AU Bank. Yeah, this is AU Bank February 1st. This is February 1st. After crossing 950 we have to take position and the closing price is 1158. We got a more than 20% returns here. If you traded in an option, your returns more than 5x. If you invested 10,000 rupees, the amount will be 50,000 rupees. This is the power of knowledge and right analysis. February month is over. Next March. So March 2nd, the pharma company Fortis, it is giving the signal for me. So I will check Fortis. March. See, after crossing high, March 2nd, 179, it is rallied. It is giving also more than 20% returns. Fortis. Again 20% and AU Bank 20%. So March is over. Next we have to look for April. The April April 5th, it is giving FinPipe. April series, FinPipe, you can see the rally. This is April 5th, 134, and it closed 153 or 151. More than 20% with the FinPipe. FinPipe is not listed in the future segment. So April is over, now May, this current month. So May first week only we have to select. So these are all the small cap stocks. This is also small. Yeah, large cap BHCL. And you can cross check it. Every stock you can cross check it. It is giving a good results, but here I don't have the time, so that's why I selected only large cap stocks, some stocks. So in a May month it is giving a signal BHEL. BHEL, yeah, stock is already there. BHEL, see how rally it is. What a rally in BHEL. This is the May 3rd, high is 55 and it is reaches 71. We got more than 40% returns in BHEL. Below first week, starting of the first week. GAIL it is given because it is listed on future also, so option also, so we can trade in that also. And BE also listed, and BSEL also listed, BSL also listed. So we will look at BEL and GAIL because these stocks are listed in a both as well as future and option also. If you want to trade in a cash market also, you can trade. GAIL, see the rally in the GAIL. After that it is falling, but after it is rising. But no matter, your stop loss is not hitted from this level to, see, from 136, 138 to it went up 165. We got more than 30% returns in GAIL. So as per our rules, when it reaches the 30%, we have to close our position. So GAIL 30%. 30. But if you traded in the scale in the option, you will get a more than 5x rewards. Okay, so next one is BEL. I showed you in that chart. See, BEL also, see, after crossing of the high, it did not came back. So after that it is falling because of profit booking, but when it reaches 30%, you have to close your position. So BEL it is giving 20% returns, but still now my stop loss is not hitted because my entry point is 132 and the stock price is 144, and it is not reached 30% returns, but still we are in a profit. So I will add only 10% for BEL. So in this last 7 months we got 260% returns in the cash market only. in the cash market only by taking 2% risk, we have got 260% returns. So monthly 2% risk means in a 7 month 14% risk and 260% returns. Suppose if you invested 1 lakh rupees, your risk is 14,000 and you made 2 lakh 60,000 rupees profit. So that is the power of compounding and power of right analysis, power of knowledge. So the April month is over. So now we are looking for June month. So I will select June month stock on the first date. Okay. So this is my analysis, and imagine the power of compounding. If you get in a monthly 5x returns, if you got a future stocks, if you traded in an option, the 5x returns and the accuracy is 95% more than. So I think the better option, no one will give you like this better option. Everything is transparency, because this system is generated by system, not me. So the back tested history is there. And one more thing I will show you. You can take the screenshots. I will show you, and you can cross check it. But make sure when you are cross checking, you have to take the entry level only first week of the month. Okay. So you can take the screenshot from 1 to 31 and 31 to 61, 61 to 91, 121. Okay, 69, 199, 162, 92, 199, 199 to 229, 229 to 259, take this also, take this May month series, yeah. So please consider the first week of the month only. Okay, so that those who are giving the signals in the first week of the month, it is giving the signal above 95%, above 97% only accuracy. So those who are interested to learn this course, you can find my number in the description. You can ping me by WhatsApp. So I am ready to teach you. So as I told you, the SEBI is increased margin level. So when the SEBI is increased margin level, the retail traders can't do option selling, because in the option selling we are expecting very small amount of money. So and in the future segment, if you want to trade in the future segment, in a one stock, you got a 2 lakhs rupees profit. No, not profit. 2 lakhs rupees capital. So the retail traders, that is also not possible. And in the future trading, it is very risky, and the stock selection process is very much important. And if you want to trader of a index and Nifty and Bank Nifty, that is if you want to bet, if you want to take a more risk. But if you want to take very less risk with a high accuracy, with a high reward, more than 30% reward in the cash market, and more than 5x returns in the future segment and option segment, this course is suitable for you. Okay, if you are looking like that kind of trades, this course is definitely suitable for you, and I am ready to teach you. If you are ready to learn, I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. You can find that and you can ping me. Thank you.